The occupation army's D9 or D10 bulldozers openly continue to carry out disgraceful acts, which cause chaos and force the Palestinians to retaliate by all means, throwing stones and even explosives. Online video circulating on the internet, less than 24 hours since rumors about the ICC, which issued arrest warrants against Israeli PM Netanyahu and Defense Minister Gallant, occupation bulldozer was seen right in front of the Jenin government hospital in the West Bank yesterday afternoon on May 21, 2024, reports open sources. It seems that bulldozer is diligently plowing the roads in that place with serious damage, causing the smooth running of public services at the hospital to be greatly disrupted. The bulldozers often level roads, houses, schools, shops, offices, even roads and cars, and any property. Not only in Gaza, the occupation bulldozers have become a symbol of fear for the indigenous Palestinian population in the West Bank. For no apparent reason, the heavy equipment accompanied by military vehicles sped through the city of Jenin, north of the West Bank, where a Palestinian car that was traveling was forced to quickly reverse, while a bulldozer suddenly arrived. The car reversed in a hurry for other reasons, or the consequences would have been known for the driver if he did not take quick action. However, the final result is unknown because it was cut off by the video that released by local residents. Apart from that, another bulldozer driver struck a parked Jenin resident's car. The wide roads apparently did not deter the bulldozer, but appeared to deliberately destroy Palestinian vehicle during ongoing Israeli raids on the city. This is what happened at night in Tubas in the West Bank. The Islamic Jihad branch of Saraya Al-Quds published a statement and video, claiming responsibility, that they armed a car with explosives at a distance of 0 and annihilated it simultaneously with a D9 bulldozer. Here's what happened, and views from two angles of the explosion and the location of the vehicle after detonated. It was confirmed that there were casualties among the occupation army crew near the bulldozer, as Palestinian fighters fought against occupying forces in the city from various directions.